let's see that slab daddy.
Hey everybody, Matt Eagle from Eagle Expeditions out here doing some mega slab hunting today. This is exactly what we're after. I'll show you some beautiful, healthy fish out here on Lake Shelbyville. Go ahead and put it right there on the measuring board. Look at that big old fish right there. All right, puts his nose right on it.
13.25.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure we get plenty of many of these back in the water as we can. Let her swim a little bit. Hold that baby. Oh, she's looking good. Get on out of here. Get on out of here. All right.
All right, big fish today, back in the water.
You know, that's one of the most important things is getting a picture of that fish, getting it back in the water. That fish isn't going to be the best one to eat. You know, you know, 11 3/4 inch fish. That's a real nice fish right there. We got plenty of those to eat, so we'll make sure we release some of those big fish. They're not the best ones to eat, like I've said. So